Hey there, Fun Foodser. It's my birthday today. I'm at Subway. And there's this machine thing that I have to order from.
Need more time?
Let's order. I never get Subway. So let's see.
Select a menu.
Nobody's behind me, so I have time to take my time, which I love.
Select a fresh sub.
Coca combo, it's on that. I think I want that. Pizza sub, that sounds delish. Either the pizza sub or the cold cut combo. It's on the pizza sub.
Please select foot long, 6-inch, or make it a salad.
No, I think...
Select a fresh sub. Please select foot long, 6-inch, or make it a salad.
Cold cut combo? No, that doesn't sound...
Select a fresh sub.
That doesn't sound like, you know, doesn't sound
Please
impressive.
select foot long, 6-inch, or please make a selection.
But then again, the pizza sub, it's breakfast right now, and I don't know if I think I want something more
Please
refreshing.
select a fresh sub.
Oven roasted chicken. BLT, I did that the other day. What's Italian BMTA? What the heck does that mean?
Please select foot long. Please make a selection. Select a bread.
Italian herbs and cheese. Yeah.
Would you like your sub toasted?
Sure.
Select a cheese.
Provolone.
Add extra cheese.
No.
Add more toppings.
No thanks. Ooh. What do you mean add bacon?
Select
I
your
thought there was
toppings.
bacon on it. What is the... I don't know what the heck I'm ordering right now. Can I get stuff on the side? It's rushing me. It's rushing me. Okay, so I got lettuce, tomato. You guys can see, right?
Select your condiments.
Some mayo. I don't even know what the heck I'm ordering. Hopefully it's good. Chipotle Southwest mayo? You know what? I'll get the Chipotle Southwest. Yeah.
Would you like to make your order a fresh value meal?
It's okay.
Add a side?
No thanks.
Would you like to add to your order?
I wanted a coffee. Should I get a drink instead? Go back. Right. Add a beverage. These are expensive. It's yelling at me.
Need more time?
Yes, I need more time. Alright. I'll get a coffee. Ooh, French vanilla. Sugar.
Anything else?
Oh my goodness.
Please review your order and select the appropriate button.
What is on the Italian BMT sub? What am I ordering, you guys? Oh my goodness.
Thank you for your order. Please drive forward to complete your order.
This is so weird. Oh my god, I look like a hot mess too. Can you tell I'm freaking tired? Oh, I hope it's good, you guys. I have no clue what the hell. I never go to Subway, so I have no clue what the hell I just ordered. I thought it was like with like a BLT. What does the BMT stand for? Seriously. I guess we'll find out, right? me bring for this coffee here. Taking you guys with me. How's everybody? Oh, it's such a crappy day out today. It's raining. It's so like cloudy and just yucky out. I guess we'll find out what the heck I just ordered. I never really liked Subway. I don't know why. I think it was because it was bland or something. I might have just ordered the wrong things. Everybody's like so rave about like Subway and I just don't get it. Maybe hopefully today I'll change my mind. Hopefully she doesn't see the camera. I need my coffee. That was cool though that they had a drive-through with the touch screen. I went up to the thing and I started talking to her. I'm like, hello, and then it said touch the screen. I'm like, oh, okay, that's different. And luckily nobody was behind me because otherwise I would have had to drive back around probably 5 times in order to know what the heck I wanted. At least my hair looks decent, I guess. 6:30. Okay. Hope she doesn't notice the camera. It's embarrassing. She'll be like, what the hell are you doing? Why are you recording yourself right now? You're not important. I am today. Right?
Would you like your receipt?
That's okay. Thanks.
Your sugar's in the bag.
Excellent. And are there napkins in here?
Napkins, yes.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too, thanks. Well, it smells good. I really wanted a bagel. I couldn't find it's really difficult to find bagels in Florida. It's like a Jersey, New York type of thing. People say it's a Jewish thing, but I don't see it being only a Jewish thing. I see it being like a Jersey or New York thing. Oh my God, I need more sleep. Tomorrow I'll be able to get more sleep because the baby doesn't go to... No, wait a minute. No, I'm wrong. I won't be able to get more sleep because the other 2 kids go to school still. So Saturday and Sunday, that's my ticket to sleep. That's if the baby doesn't wake me up. Kids, you gotta love them though, right? Okay, you guys. I am going in the Kohl's parking lot. I go to a lot. Oh my gosh, I dropped you guys. I go to a lot of the same places. If anybody wanted to murder me, they wouldn't have a hard time finding me. Stay there, you poop. So I'm gonna go in Kohl's today, and I told you guys in one of the videos that, come on now, that I paid off my Kohl's charge and that I never want to use it. But now I'm contemplating on using it today. And I never used that $10. I had a $5, it was 1 year anniversary $5 gift or whatever, and a yes to you award $5. So I still have that $10, and I wanted to get a camera, you guys, because I'm sick and tired of my phone being so like wrong to me. You're being wrong to me, you dang phone. Alright, so Hopefully it won't rain on me. Oh, freaking guys using a freaking blower over there. Landscape guys. Leaf blower. Okay. Let's put you guys a little lower here. Let's get some of this coffee. Hopefully my eyes will turn wider. Hopefully this coffee's good. Oh. It's French vanilla coffee. Alright, well, they gave it to me black. They didn't put any of my stuff in it. Lazies. You lazies? Really? Okay. Alright, let's smell them herbs on the bread there. She said my sugar's in the bag, but I didn't hear her mention anything about no milk. Oh no. They yelled at me, the machine. It wouldn't even let me pick cream. Oh no. I'm gonna have to really go back for real. No. Why don't they fix up your coffee for you? That's so messed up. You know, I paid almost $2 for this fucking coffee. Coffee ain't cheap anymore, man. Used to be like $1 or something. Everybody wants to charge almost $2. Is it just Florida that's freaking expensive? Shit. Only gave me 2 sugars. What the hell is that gonna do? Bitchin'. I'm bitchin'. This guy's getting yelled at over here. I like my coffee light and sweet. So, I know Kohl's isn't the place to get like electronics or whatever, but pretty hefty feeling. It's the one credit card that I paid off and I got $10 off. Come on, for real? Son of a bitch. These guys right now. You hear this shit? He's like right next to me. Look at this. Look. Look at him. He's literally like right there. I don't know if you guys seen. For real. For real. Okay, let's see what we got. What the heck did I order? Hope it's not disgusting. What the fuck did I order? Alright, so what the hell is the B, M, and the fucking T? Black Forest ham, right? I really hate these guys right now. He's right. Oh my god, he just touched my car. Oh my god, this is a mukbang fail. This fucking guy. Look at this. They're all around me. Oh my god. I'm ready to go back to fucking Subway. Get my goddamn... BMT. So Black Forest ham, meat and tomato. I don't freaking know because what's on here is pepperoni that looks like salami, ham. Where's my provolone? They asked me what kind of cheese I wanted, and I don't see any freaking provolone. Are you kidding me? Is it melted? I guess it's melted. I see a little bit of something going on there. Let's try it. Hopefully it's good. I wish you would have been like, you don't want no milk? Yes, please. You guys are my worst nightmare. Now I'm kicking myself in the ass that I didn't order a Coke. I want so much freaking money. I don't even care that you're right there. You're gonna have to watch my mukbang. You fucking guys. Pretty good. Alright, well. How the hell am I gonna do this? I guess I'll just go through the drive-thru. And say, yo! Give me some milk and fucking sugar. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's going on? Did I have the car on? What just happened? That was messed up. Oh, these guys are my nightmare. Watch, you'll probably see them in the background. Oh, there's one. And there's another one. I'm about to take that blower and blow it in your head. Yeah, I wear glasses. Whatever. Alright, you guys. It'll be a long video. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Luckily Subway is just like right over here. Need to get a mount. Right now I'm just using a tiny tripod. It's just sitting on my dash right now. Need one of those mounts. I'll probably get one at the flea market. I got my coffee all out. Let me put a lid on that. Dang it. Oh man, I am like so not together today. Hopefully you won't fall. Stay. Eating and driving. She's probably gonna be like thinking, what'd she do? Go all the way home and come back just for some cream and sugar? No, I was right next door. All right. Crap. I don't know if I should just run in or go through the drive-thru again. You think she'll see me if I go through the drive-thru? Oh man, I need to do Coke. Oh. Oh, you guys. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's day is sunny. case she doesn't see the camera again. Oh. I'm waving her down. Hey, I just need some more cream and sugar for my coffee. I was just right next door and I realized I didn't have any cream in my bag. I guess it didn't go through or whatever. Huh? How many? 2 creams and 2 more sugars. Thank you so much. Excellent. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need this?
No, I have it.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Got my stuff. 20 minutes now. You guys are probably bored as hell right now. Y'all probably stopped watching 10, 15, 18, 19 minutes ago. Who knows? But those of you who are still staying tuned, I love you guys. You guys are my #1 fans. My #1 people of my life. So far for my birthday, my parents gave me a really cute card that said all the right things with $50 in there, which I did not get to spend on myself. I don't know if I said this in my last video. Now you're over here. You're killing me. You're killing me. Oh, I gotta turn right here. My Aunt Allison, she gave me a $25 Amazon gift card. It was an e-gift card. I'm gonna go where these freaking guys are not. I'm gonna go right over here. It might be bad lighting though. You guys can see me, right? Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy, I'm a bad parker. Oh, and my daughter, she got me this really cute, she made me this cute thing. A cardboard card, and where is he? Where is that cute puppy? That I want to make into a keychain. I'm going to show you guys. It reminded me of, oh, here it is. It reminded me of my old, my dog that I had during my childhood. He was half Chow Chow, half German Shepherd. But he didn't have white on him like this. He was all black, my dog. And he's so cute! He don't have a tail, but I guess this is a tail. Apparently he's from Babe, the movie Babe. And you can't really see his eyes. They're little brown dots. Alright, well, I'll turn the car off for now. I'm not gonna park here because otherwise I'll have to walk like a mile to go to Kohl's. See the building in the background? And it's raining off and on. My luck, I'll get caught in a freaking rainstorm and this girl's bending over. She's got a dress. She got a dress on. I can see her underwears. Oh my god. Girl, you better watch yourself. I don't know if those are underwears or freaking tiny, tiny, tiny shorts. I always wear shorts with my dresses because I think one time I wasn't wearing shorts and there was a gust of wind that came. And oh my god, my freaking dress lifted up. Luckily we were getting gas and I was like on the side of the car where hopefully nobody's seen, and I think I was wearing some granny panties that day. Oh my god, oh my goodness. Embarrassing alert. Find, oh, a little stray kitty. The kitty is the same color as... You guys see him? He's the same color as the doggy. I named him Bear because that's what my dog's name was. Bear the dog. Oh man. Alright, now let's taste it. It's okay. I like my coffee really sugary, so I wonder if I have any more sugar packets in here. On my way to diabetes. That's what my father-in-law used to say. Whenever he seen me put sugar in my coffee, I used to just keep on pouring it and pouring it. He's like, oh, on your way to diabetes, because he had diabetes. I'm like, well, thanks. You guys probably just witnessed one of my thumbnails, so not that it freaking matters. Free movie for my birthday. Redbox just sent me an email. Thanks, Redbox, but there's nothing good out in the Redbox. You're already seen all this stuff. We just seen this movie last night. Alive. It was crazy. It was messed up. Ooh. The Sci-Fi Channel made it. We didn't expect much since Sci-Fi made it, but it was good. Damn blowers. Yeah. I like the chipotle mayo. I like Wawa subs. That's my jam. Well, I should have tried a BLT from Subway. And see if I like it better than Wawa's, because I love Wawa's. Even though Wawa's bacon is, I'm pretty sure, microwaved. I don't know why I like it so much. So hopefully be able to get myself something in Kohl's. Probably just walk around, space out. Fucking turn into a zombie. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This person, really? You fucking kidding me? I'm talking. Look at him. Look at him. Talking to my fucking self. Creeping up on me and shit. Swear to God. Yesterday with the fucking creeping cop. Creeping me the fuck out. Now today with these damn landscapers. He's spraying shit. Weed killer. Ooh. These jalapeno peppers are spicy. Combined with the mayo. So, this is pretty much going to be my my birthday mukbang because I don't think I'm going to be able to treat myself to a nice dinner. Just can't do it. Fucking school screwed me over. Had all these unexpected expenses. The goddamn pictures alone, that was $50.